wrong with that? What's that sound like there?
Horrible. Take it off.
You've had enough.
Yeah.
You're not happy with him?
No.
You're such a naughty microphone.
That was backwards,
You
but I
changed
liked it.
I liked it.
That was
completely
totally weird, but
off the cuff.
Welcome to the
was
Mayo
good.
News channel. This is Kirsty Meekin.
Yeah.
And tonight's news, we are going to do...
He was a bit, wasn't he?
Yeah.
To make it go like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meekin from Neo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sculpt a nail out in one bead, and we are also going to do a 3D flower. It's not a flower, I'm chatting rubbish. It's a bow.
Brilliant.
I was scared of tiger waves.
Tiger wave.
Yeah.
Tidal.
They're the big tiger ones.
Tiger.
Yeah, there's a tiger wave. The massive ones.
Tidal wave.
I was it.
Tsunami.
No,
Tidal wave.
no, tiger wave.
It's not called a tiger wave. It's not, is it? It's called a tidal wave.
There's a tiger.
It's not a tiger
No,
wave.
it's
Hey
tidal.
Siri.
You know, it's in the tide. Tidal wave.
So it's coming in.
No,
Tide.
no, a tiger
Tidal.
wave. No, a tiger.
Does it go like this? Like that?
Yeah.
Is that why they call it a tiger wave?
There's a tiger wave. There is.
I don't believe you.
I definitely don't believe you.
Oh my god.
JJ has also had this Great Stoke-on-Trent education. Did you go to school? Did you bob a lot?
No.
No, you didn't bob. No, I didn't either. Closer, come closer.
Hey, hey.
And I just Eagle Pickle.
Oh God, no, please. Oh no.
Yes, my name is Eagle Pickle. Eagle, wiggle, 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 pickle.
I could shoot Iggle Piggle quite happily. Tipsy, or whatever she's called.
It's
Fingers
something
aren't
that.
strong enough to do that. Try to do it with that hand. Do it with that hand.
Oh, but really it?
No, with that finger.
I can't, I've not got no control, I just got to whack myself
yeah.
in the face. Well, up we go.
Do that. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Do that with your mouth now. Create different sounds.
Okay.
Do you realise, like, your face is going to be all red on that side?
Oh, it's just do it.
Yeah.
Look! I can't! Other side. Other way.
I can't! I can't look at the screen. A squeegee is what you know when your window cleaner comes and they go,
A window scraper.
no, that's when it's icy. You know the window cleaner comes and they go,
Yeah.
It's got like rubber on it. Where
Yeah, I
you go,
know what it
That's a
is.
squeegee.
That's a
I didn't
squeegee.
ever know it was called a squeegee. That's not a real word.
it
It isn't, you're having me on.
We know!
You are.
We're not having you on, Jay.
Yeah,
Honest.
honestly, we're making it up. We are.
I knew you were.
We are both making the same word up.
It's a real thing, JJ. We're back! Kirsty Meekin from Neo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do stuff with mother.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Oh, yeah?
I'm hip, I know that.
Shine bright like a diamond. You know Rihanna?
It's Rihanna, is it?
Yeah?
I don't know it's Rihanna.
Oh, right, okay. Not that cool then.
Isn't, when you wipe off the holographic, isn't it going to wipe off the black paint as well? Or are you going to
Oh my god.
paint on?
Just watch and learn, Adam. Watch and learn.
I just thought you would have mapped out things in gel and doesn't matter.
Yeah, you should. I don't know why you put a bow on your face, but you know what I mean? Like, I'm doing nail art. Hello. I want to do a bow on a nail. Not on your face or anywhere else for that matter. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this?
It
that was.
It is, yeah.
Hey DJ, pop this party. Why waste your time? You know you're gonna be mine. You know you're gonna be mine.
What?
This one good.
You've just given us a brilliant update, so that's good.
God, that wind tunnel is so windy at the minute. If you can hear something that sounds like a wind tunnel, that is Adam's computer. What's it doing?
I don't know. It just makes that weird.
I know, but are you actually doing something on it? Is it like
I'm uploading a video.
Uploading. That's what we're doing. Uploading videos.
Yeah, but it doesn't. It shouldn't make that noise. It just does. It's the I've got a really powerful graphics card in it,
And it has to
and I think the graphics card just keeps going. Oh, I'm here.
This makes sense.
I'm Kirsty Mickin from Neo Nails.